In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall AnyDesk from your laptop completely, step by step, so you can remove the app and also clean up leftover files safely. This is a simple process, but if you want to make sure AnyDesk is fully removed, it's important to follow every step all the way through. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Windows search bar on your laptop. Type Control Panel, then open it from the search results. Once Control Panel is open, click on Programs. After that, select Uninstall a program. Give it a moment to load the list of installed applications on your computer. When the list appears, scroll through and find AnyDesk. Click on AnyDesk to highlight it, then click and install at the top of the window. If any confirmation messages appear, go ahead and confirm them. Now just wait while Windows removes the program from your laptop. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Once AnyDesk is uninstalled, the next step is to delete its leftover AppData files. These are the files that can store user settings and cached data, so clearing them helps make sure the app is fully removed. To do that, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will take you to the AppData roaming folder. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. When you find it, right-click the folder and choose Delete. That removes user-specific settings and cached files tied to the app. Next, you want to remove the ProgramData files as well. Again, press Windows +R to open Run. This time, type %ProgramData%, then press Enter. Inside that folder, look for the AnyDesk folder. If you see it, right-click it and select Delete. This step helps remove additional configuration files, logs, and other application data that may still be on your system after uninstalling the main program. Once that's done, the final step is to restart your computer. Before you restart, make sure you save any open work so nothing gets lost. After your PC comes back on, AnyDesk should be removed from your laptop along with its leftover files. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled AnyDesk from your laptop. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.